I bought this shoe rack off TEMU for probably about $15. I can't remember exactly, but it was not very expensive at all. First thing I noticed taking it out the box is super light, and the box had a little bit of damage to it, but the shoe rack was just fine. And also, it's not just a shoe rack. I think it was advertised as a shoe rack, but and I'm not exactly sure how I intend to use it. But I think it could be used as any type of a little rack for decoration or just to place up against the wall and hold various different things. But we'll see once I get it all set up how I'm going to use it. It's super light, and as I expand it, I notice it can be expanded quite a long ways. But I think in order for this to be all set up exactly to where the shelves are supporting the structure or just the overall design, it needs to be expanded to a certain length. So what I'm noticing as I'm opening this up is that the shelves seem to be upside down, and I have to rotate them all the way around. I don't know, maybe it was just designed that way, and in order to ship it, they had to fold it this way where the racks were upside down. But once I figured out that the top was the top and the bottom was the bottom, I just had to flip the racks over, and there's a little ledge on the racks that support on the crossbar and keep the shelves like nice and stable and keep the whole entire thing from collapsing on the weight that you place on it with the shoes or whatever you put on there. All right, so this is pretty much it. Just getting it out the box, raising it up, showing you what it looks like. Jump on TEMU. Here's a quick little screenshot of what it looked like on TEMU when I pulled the trigger on it. A little skeptical, of course. I know everybody is a little skeptical on their first few purchases from TEMU, and maybe even after you've been doing it for a while, you're still kind of skeptical because sometimes you get duds. But this one, I want to say, is not a dud. So you can see me flipping the shelves over. Let me go ahead and jump to where the shelves actually are all in place, and I have it nice and stable. So here you go. I had to extend it all the way up, get them all flipped over because they wouldn't flip over in the small gap when it wasn't fully extended. And then I can press it back down and have them support themselves on the crossbars. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Check it out if you're looking for something nice and simple, easy, light, and not too expensive because maybe you're in a temporary location. There you go. Oh yeah, and then here's a quick picture of what I ended up doing with it.